Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and I am so excited for this video. I was gifted a Nespresso from a friend, not from the company, but Nespresso, if you want to sponsor me, please do email. I am going to show you in this video how I got the machine set up, the different types of coffee, some of the features. I'm just gonna tell you now, I've already used the machine. I love it, I recommend it, but we're still gonna go through it. This is a video for somebody who's new to Nespresso, thinking about getting the machine, and just wanna know a little bit more information, but I already recommend it. So let's get into it right after this. This is the machine fresh out of the box. I ended up with the matte black. That container in the back is for the water. The water container does move from side to side. I end up putting it on the left because that's how it fit in my coffee station. These are the 4 coffees that I ended up getting. Actually, 2 are espressos and 2 are coffees. And then it also came with this little sample pack. These are, I forgot, they're coffee or espresso, but they give you free samples. And that's the descaler for cleaning out the Nespresso machine. This is my coffee station before. There's my Keurig. I will never get rid of that. My hot water pot, my mugs that I keep hung up, those are the ones I use the most, my French press. And so I'm going to clean this off and get it set up for my Nespresso. And here we are. Since the making of this video, I did get a drawer that sits under the Nespresso machine that holds some of the pods. So that's the only difference now. And I do love that drawer. I will link it down in the description below. And so the first step that it recommends is to clean out the machine. It does have a special process for that, where you put the water in there and press the button on top about 3 times. That's why it's lit up red or orange like that. And then it's going to run through water to clean out the machine before your first cup. I decided that I was going to try the caramel cookie first. I like that this machine knows how much coffee is the appropriate amount to get the appropriate flavor. So this is going to put out 7.7 ounces of coffee. So you tap the lever up and you put your pod in the little holder and you just tap it down and it closes on its own. And you go ahead, put your mug underneath and just press the button once on top and it'll start making your beverage. Just a heads up, the machine is kind of loud for me. It's louder than other coffee machines that I have used. It's not a problem, but I just want to let people know it is kind of loud. I am a cream and sugar person when it comes to my coffee, so I am adding in some syrup right now. I always keep Tarani's vanilla syrup, the big bottles with the pump, in my house at all times, and I'm just adding in some sweet cream. The last thing I wanted to touch on is this bucket in the back of the machine. I didn't know what it was for until my friend told me. It's for the Nespresso pods. They collect in the back. Once that bucket fills up, you can put them in the recycling, or you can save them up and put them into a bag that is provided by Nespresso that already has prepaid postage and mail it back to Nespresso for recycling. I hope you guys liked that video. Like I said in the beginning, I really like this machine. I love it. I hope that this was a good description of the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. I hope this was able to help somebody out. I am still going to be using my Keurig. I'm still a Keurig girl, but I'm also going to be a Nespresso girl. And that's okay. And that's okay to have both. You know what? Luxury. We love it here. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you are the first to know about new videos that I put out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!